Chapter 5 focuses on working with multiple worksheets and workbooks. And as you read Chapter 5, which begins on page 274 in your text, you are going to be creating a consolidated expenses worksheet. So you will be creating this from a blank Excel worksheet. As you work through Chapter 5, you are going to be creating and formatting a consolidated worksheet. You are going to be creating and applying a custom format code, creating and applying custom styles, adding and populating worksheets, adding 3D pie charts, adjusting page layouts, and linking workbooks. So again, you will be starting from a blank workbook and end up with something that looks like this. So you'll begin by starting with that blank workbook, and the first thing that you'll be doing is changing some of your font styles and adjusting row heights and column widths, as you can see that I did here. You will eventually enter in all of your data, including a couple formulas that are actually going to be using a new function that you're going to be learning about, which is the round function. And the round function is recommended to use when you have formulas that can potentially result in more decimal places than the applied format can display. And you'll be learning about that beginning on page 282. So once you have completed everything in Chapter 5 and your worksheet looks pretty much like mine does, you are going to be submitting it as an assignment. Now you will notice that one of the things that Chapter 5 is going to talk about is how to print in different ways. So how to print the whole workbook versus printing just some of the worksheets, and how to create page breaks when you're printing and that kind of thing. That is all good to know, but as always, you do not actually have to print. So you can even go as far as selecting File and Print so you can see what it would look like when you make your selections, but you don't actually have to click print that last time to send it to the printer.